Hi, this is Noelle Gross from ngcareerstrategy.com, and I'm going to show you how to make your LinkedIn profile updates private so that when you upload your new LinkedIn profile, it is not broadcast out to your employer or any of your connections. So the way we do this is we go to LinkedIn, to any page, and you look at the top of the dashboard, the top right-hand side, and you'll see where there's that little thumbnail of you. That's how you access the settings and privacy. So you click on that little arrow and you go about halfway down, you'll see settings and privacy. So you click on that and that'll take you to basically everything you need to know about your profile settings and setting up LinkedIn. So you'll see on the left-hand side, we have a menu. If you scroll down to visibility, the third one down, that's the option you want to click on. And so there's two parts to visibility. The first is the visibility of your profile and your network. And this is basically how people can see you and the types of people that can see the various parts of your profile. So it's worthwhile to go through this section, but for the purposes of making sure we're not broadcasting any changes, it's the second visibility option. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to this section right here. Just to briefly go through this. So manage your active status. This will let your network know when you're online or when you're offline. So when you're like messaging people, for example, if you're online or they're online, you'll see a little green dot that lets them know you're online and they could potentially chat with you live. So that's what this is about. So in order to change that, you just click on the option and it'll allow you to select which one which option you'd like. Okay, so you see I have selected that I don't want anyone to see when I'm online. So that's what I have set, but it's totally according to your preference. The option that you want to focus on to make sure you're not broadcasting anything to your network is the second option right here: shared job changes, education changes, and work anniversaries from profiles. So you click on that and you'll see there's an option, no, I don't want my profile updated once I upload it, or yes, which means it would broadcast to your network when you upload your new profile. So because we don't want to notify people, I'm going to click that to no, and that saves it. So that's where you want to look. Just to take you through the rest of this menu in case you're wondering what this is all about. So there's notify connections when you're in the news. Mentioned by others. So you see I have those set to yes, because those are things I want my network to see. And then followers. So you can choose who can follow you. So I opted that for everyone on LinkedIn to be able to follow me, or you can just have your connections follow you depending on what you're comfortable with. And then make follow primary. So if you enable follow, will be the primary action when members view your profile. Okay, so this is if you want to amass a following. So this is it for how to make your profile private when you're making updates. And I hope this was helpful.